going, everyone? Philip at Pack Mail today in Colorado Springs. I'm going to show you something that we are going to work on today. So in this episode of What in the World Are We Packing Today? Check this out. I have to stand way back because this thing is huge. I think it's 110, 112 inches tall. Yeah, you can see how tall this thing is compared to me and how wide it is. It's ginormous, right? 39-star unofficial American parade flag, 1889. Hand stitched. It's so cool. It's all faded from the sun. You can see little tears in it. I mean, it's super authentic. So, due to the sheer size and value of this thing, obviously it's going to have to go into a crate. It's going to get freighted. But we're going to treat it like any other artwork or glass artwork that would come in. We're going to glass mask it. We're going to attempt to bubble wrap it, which I don't know that that's going to do much. Then we're going to put it in a crate with some styrofoam and set it on its way. So everybody that's been coming in the store looking at this thing, they're just like super wowed by it. Like there's stains on it, tears in it. It's pretty wild. Very, very unique. So anyways, keep watching, keep checking us out. I hope to hear from you soon.